In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track pipeline value in Pipedrive in the 3 minutes. We're going to build a quick, reliable view of your pipeline value using Pipedrive's insights. This is perfect if you want a single, trustworthy number you can check at a glance without digging through individual deals. Start by opening Insights from the left-hand sidebar. This is your analytics hub, where dashboards collect all your key reports in one place. Think of a dashboard as your control panel, and each report as a tile that shows a specific metric. At the top left, click Create and choose Report. You're making one focused report that will feed into your dashboard. When the report setup appears, set the entity to Deals, since pipeline value lives in your deals. Then choose Performance. Performance reports are designed to summarize outcomes and totals, which is exactly what we need for value tracking. Next, pick Scorecard as the visualization. A scorecard gives you a clean, single-number snapshot, ideal for total pipeline value. It's fast to read and easy to compare over time. Now, change the measure to Deal Value, or whichever value field you want to track for your pipeline. This tells Pipedrive which monetary amount to total in your scorecard. If you commonly use a different value field, select that instead. The key is to make sure the measure reflects the amount you care about seeing summed up. Before saving, apply your filters from the top. This is where you refine what pipeline value means to you. For example, filter by a specific pipeline if you have multiple, and set the deal status to Open if you only want to see active pipeline value. You can also filter by owner to see a salesperson's pipeline, by stage to focus on late-stage value, and by a date range if you want a specific period. Take a moment to confirm everything matches how your team reports value. When you're happy with the setup, click Save at the top right. Give your report a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. Your new scorecard report is automatically added to your dashboard in Insights. From now on, every time you go to Insights on the left bar, you'll see this tile and can instantly track your pipeline value without rebuilding anything. You can revisit the report anytime to adjust filters as your needs change. That's all. Simple, fast, and ready to use whenever you need a quick pulse on your pipeline.